Hello, do you speak English? Hello, do you speak English?
I speak a little, but not very well. I speak a little, but not very well.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 31 years old. I am 31 years old.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Los Angeles. I live in Los Angeles.
Do you learn English? Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English. Yes, I learn English.
Are you American? Are you American?
No, I am not American. No, I am not American.
How do I look? How do I look?
You look great. You look great.
What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pizza. I want to eat pizza.
How many languages can you speak? How many languages can you speak?
I can speak 3 languages. I can speak 3 languages.
Do you like to take photos? Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I enjoy photography. Yes, I enjoy photography.
How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings. I have 3 siblings.
What do you do for work? What do you do for work?
I work at a bank. I work at a bank.
What is your hobby? What is your hobby?
My hobby is photography. My hobby is photography.
What is your dream? What is your dream?
My dream is to travel the world. My dream is to travel the world.
Can you play guitar? Can you play guitar?
No, I can't play guitar. No, I can't play guitar.
How do you relax? How do you relax?
I relax by reading a book. I relax by reading a book.
What are you reading? What are you reading?
I'm reading a novel. I'm reading a novel.
What makes you happy? What makes you happy?
Spending time with friends makes me happy. Spending time with friends makes me happy.
What do you like to do for fun? What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play video games. I like to play video games.
Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah. My best friend is Sarah.
Do you watch sports on TV? Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes, I watch soccer games. Yes, I watch soccer games.
Do you like to dance? Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing at parties. Yes, I enjoy dancing at parties.
See you later. See you later.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bro, make nice comment and follow.